To integrate Debank Portfolio Overview. Start by understanding what Debank is. Debank is a popular platform that allows users to track and manage their cryptocurrency portfolios across multiple wallets and exchanges. The Portfolio Overview feature provides a comprehensive view of your assets, including their current value, balance, and transaction history. First, create an account on Debank by going to their website and following the sign-up process. Once you have an account, navigate to the Portfolio Overview page. To do this, click on the Portfolio tab and then select the Overview option. Next, connect your wallets and exchanges to Debank. This can be done by clicking on the Add Wallet button and following the prompts to link your accounts. Debank supports a wide range of wallets and exchanges, including MetaMask, Coinbase, and Binance. After connecting your accounts, Debank will automatically start tracking your portfolio. You can view your portfolio overview by clicking on the Portfolio tab and then selecting the Overview option. From here, you can see a breakdown of your assets, including their current value, balance, and transaction history. To customize your portfolio overview, use the filtering and sorting options. For example, you can filter your assets by wallet or exchange, or sort them by value or balance. This allows you to quickly and easily view the information that is most important to you. In addition to tracking your portfolio, Debank also provides a range of analytics and insights. For example, you can view your portfolio's historical performance, including its value over time and its returns on investment. You can also view a breakdown of your portfolio's asset allocation, including the percentage of your portfolio that is allocated to each asset. To get the most out of Debank's Portfolio Overview feature, make sure to regularly update your account information and transaction history. This will ensure that your portfolio overview is always accurate and up to date. Additionally, consider using Debank's alert system to stay notified of any changes to your portfolio. By following these steps and using Debank's Portfolio Overview feature, you can gain a deeper understanding of your cryptocurrency portfolio and make more informed investment decisions. Remember to always keep your account information and transaction history up to date, and to use the filtering and sorting options to customize your portfolio overview.